first begin with a small introduction to Python and its features. Then, I'll be showing y'all how to install this IDE, create new files and projects, and write the code. We'll also take a look at the components available in Spyder, namely the Variable Explorer and the File Explorer. Finally, I'll be showing y'all how to customize this IDE and use the help menu. Okay, so without any further delays, let's move on towards the first topic, which is what exactly is Spyder. Spyder is an open source cross-platform IDE that is written completely in Python and it's used for Python. This IDE is designed by scientists and it's exclusively for scientists, data analysts, and engineers. It is also known as the Scientific Python Development IDE and has a huge set of remarkable features which are discussed in the next topic. Some of the very important features of Spyder include customizable syntax highlighting, availability of breakpoints, that is debugging and the conditional breakpoints, interactive execution which allows you to run the line, file, cell, etc. Run configurations are available for working directory selections, command line options, current or dedicated, external console, etc. It can also clear variables automatically or enter debugging. Navigation through cells, functions, blocks, etc. can be achieved through the Outline Explorer. Code introspection is the ability to examine what functions, keywords, and classes are, what they are doing, and what information they contain. Spyder also has automatic colon insertion after the if, while, or for loops. It also supports all the IPython magic commands, inline display for graphics produced using Matplotlib, and provides other features such as help, file explorer, find files, etc. Okay, so once you're done with the installation and have launched Spyder, you can create new files and projects to write your code. To create a new file, all you have to do is click on the file option and choose the new file option. To create a new project, go to the project menu and click on new project. Give some name to your project and click on create. So as you can see, the moment I created a new project, it has opened up the project explorer. With the help of this component, you can switch easily between different projects that you've created. Okay, so now let's move on and see how you can actually write the code. Writing the code in Spyder becomes very easy with its multi-language code editor and a number of powerful tools. As mentioned earlier, this editor has features such as syntax highlighting, real-time analysis of code, style analysis, on-demand completion, etc. When you write your code, you will also notice that it gives a clear call stack for the method suggesting all the arguments that can be used along with that method. The Python Spyder IDE also provides other components such as the Variable Explorer and the File Explorer. The Variable Explorer shows all the global objects references such as modules, variables, methods, etc. of the current IPython console. Not just this, you can also interact with these using the various GUI-based editors. The File Explorer is basically a file system and a directory browser that allows you to browse, open, and perform other management tasks on files. You can make use of the context menu functions for operating with these files and folders. Spyder can be configured conveniently using the options that are present in the Preferences menu. You can change anything such as themes, syntax colors, font size, etc. So to do this, all you have to do is click on the Tools menu and select Preferences. Then, from here you can choose any option and configure it according to your preferences. Once you're done, just click on OK and you'll be able to see the changes. Finally, let's take a look at the Help menu. The Help pane allows you to find and display documentation of any object you desire. When you click on the Help menu, you can see that it provides various options such as the Spyder documentation, Spyder tutorial, shortcuts, etc. So in case you encounter any issues while using this IDE, you can simply navigate to the Help menu and resolve your issue easily. So with this, we've reached the end of this session. I hope you've enjoyed and learned something new. In case you have any doubts or queries, please do let me know in the comment section and I will revert to you at the earliest. Goodbye and take care. First begin with a